The species can be found in all tropical and subtropical oceans. There are different populations. One is located in Thailand, and some are located along the east and west coast of Central America. Also, they are located in the Hawaii Islands. There are 4 named subspecies of the spinner dolphin. There is the eastern spinner dolphin found in the tropical eastern Pacific. The Central American or Costa Rican spinner dolphin is also found in the tropical eastern Pacific. Grays or Hawaiian spinner dolphins are found in the Central Pacific around Hawaii, but represent a mixed bag of broadly similar subtypes found throughout the world. Dwarf spinner dolphins are found in the Gulf of Thailand. The spinner dolphin is a small dolphin that lives in the open ocean and along coastal waters. Individuals will generally grow from 4 to 7 feet in length and weigh between 100 and 170 pounds. Each has a long, narrow beak, dark gray dorsal cap, medium gray flanks, and a light gray, whitish belly. But there is a great deal of color variation depending on the region it lives. Individual dolphins are identified by their unique dorsal fins. Spinner dolphins often occur in groups of several hundred, several thousand animals. They are considered quite gracious, often schooling in large groups and with other dolphin species, such as the spotted dolphin, bottlenose dolphin, or even humpback whales in Hawaii, which may benefit one or both species. When breathing, a dolphin may empty and refill its lungs in less than a fifth of a second, at speeds of over 100 miles per hour. Oceanic dolphins have evolved a method to breathe without the blowhole being out of the water. A bubble is blown when near the surface, forming a tunnel through the water. The dolphin quickly draws a breath in through the tunnel. To sleep, a dolphin shuts down half of its brain at a time. During this time, its breathing is under voluntary control. Spinner dolphins are best known for their above-water displays of leaping and spinning several times on their body's axis. Leaps can often be done in a series with as many as 14 leaps in a row. They have one maneuver called head over tails, which is an aerial flip showing energetic behavior. This leap is a series of mid-air somersaults. There's also the fluke-up dive. Dives with the tail raised in the air seem to signal deep dives. This is a borderline aerial behavior as it happens above the waterline but is not very active.
No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart and our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least.
Mating and calving occurs year-round, with gestation similar to that of most dolphins, around 11 months. Multiple males may mate with one female in a short consecutive intervals. Lactation often takes place for 2 years, but can also last for only a year. Calving intervals average 3 years. Maturing occurs around 7 years of age, and maximum longevity is 20 years. Newborn calves participate in echelon swimming, which is swimming near their mother's head for about a week before they swim near her dorsal fin.
For most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? And it's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together.
For 1 to 2 years, the baby nurses on rich milk to grow fast and strong.
Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
Spinner dolphins use echolocation to find food. They send out emitted sounds and read the returning echoes to figure out where the food is located. Spinner dolphins feed primarily at night on midwater fishes and deep water squid while resting for most of the daylight hours. Food is found at about 600 to 1,000 feet below the surface of water. The mesopelagic boundary layer stays in the deep waters in the ocean during the day. At night, they move up in the water column and inshore. Dolphins follow these diel migrations on their prey in order to maximize forage efficiency. Spinner dolphins use head slaps to get others' attention, especially pups to get moms. Repeated head slaps send acoustical messages. Spinner dolphins whistle a lot so they can be very noisy under and above water. Spinner dolphins each have a signature whistle. They use tail slaps to direct change in direction or behavior. Because most often, immediately after we see this behavior, the pod will change its traveling direction. Nose outs are often seen before going into a rest mode or when they seem to have interest in us. These, although, are still classified as arterial behavior because they're the least energy taxing. Being social creatures, spinner dolphins' pectoral flippers are used as social lives of dolphins. They steer them through water, and they also use them to stroke one another, increasing the social bonds between them. Dolphins' friends may swim along face-to-face, touching flippers. Dolphins that appear to be closely bonded may swim in sync, twisting, turning, and swimming in perfect harmony together. Playing behavior spinners often make play toys of objects in their environment. They use lightweight plastic grocery bags that flew into the ocean. The dolphins drape these over their fins and pass them back and forth playing games. There are many threats to spinner dolphins. They can be caught in marine debris as bycatch or by discarded nets, causing them to drown. They can also have plastic be ingested through the fish they eat. Sonar from boats can cause harm to the dolphin's echolocation. Also, fisheries can deplete the fish stock, so the dolphins run out of food, or even dolphins are hunted illegally. Current research shows that pursuit and close approach of boats, swimmers, and other ocean users to spinner dolphins may have a negative impact on their health and behavior. The viewing guidelines for spinner dolphins are that you must remain 50 yards from spinner dolphins. You have to only observe for half an hour. Spinner dolphins should not be encircled or trapped between boats. If approached by a spinner dolphin while on a boat, you have to put the engine in neutral and allow the animal to pass. Right now, spinner dolphins are underneath the Dolphin Safe program, which focuses